Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about making yourself a custom-made sprinkler head for your yard. If you notice, this is one that I just made a couple of days ago, and if you look, boy, that sucker got a reach on him. The pieces were relatively easy to get and easy to put together. I'm going to try a different sprinkler head in a minute, and I'm going to show you how I did it and give you the price points and see how we can get it put together. But this guy is pretty decent. I like the spread that it does. It gives me a good part of the my front yard, because being a truck driver, I got a timer. As you can see, the lawn's kind of messed up. I think I did that, but we're working on it. I reseeded in that area and put some compost and some peat moss. So we're trying to keep it a little wet, but right now I'm just showing you what this does. This is the one that I originally had. It doesn't give the distance, but that one I think is about I can't remember the name of it, but it's about 20 bucks. Got two of those, but we're going to show you this guy. That one cost me, it's a little under 20. I don't have the numbers on that one, but I'll have the numbers on the one that we're about to put together in a few minutes. Okay, I just wanted to show you. This is another one of the longer ones that I started out with, but we're not using that today. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Okay, what we did was went and got a Rainbird. I believe it was 4-inch high efficiency rotary sprinkler, which it does like 360 and so forth. I'm going to try that one today. Okay, and what we're doing, this is our little connector. It is a male adapter. Okay, we got that. We got the tape to go around our little connections right there. I'm not good with names, but we're gonna say, I'm gonna call it a pair of pliers, but you know what I mean. Okay. Now this is a cheap sprinkler. It doesn't shoot out far enough for what I need it. But what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect it right around here, and we're going to connect this to that. Okay. Okay, first thing we're going to look at, if you look right here at Lowe's, the sprinkler head, the mini rotor, it cost me $9.60 with a discount of $1.07 on a military discount. And that that male connector, that was about 39 cents with a discount of 4 cents. In total, it came to $10.59. All right, first thing we're gonna do, gonna reach in here. I'll take this guy off there. I'll take this off of here. Save that for later. For what, I have no freaking idea. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do, pick up that paper later. Okay. And I'm just going to round that around. Really? You gonna do this to me? Well, I'm trying to act like I know what the hell I'm doing. Yeah, much better. Okay. I'll do that. And what I'm gonna do is, actually, hope that is the right size. Son of a biscuit here. Got the wrong coupling. Ain't that a kick in the butt? Yep, got the wrong coupling. It's supposed to have one just like that, and that's it. But we're gonna fix that. That one right there is the first one. It's not, I don't think it's adjustable. This one actually is adjustable. And as you can see, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that up there and see how the water stops, you know, right there and straight across. So what I can do is put that, this side right here facing towards the street so no water will get out, and then that will water up there.